Trying to get your Florida insurance adjuster license, but confused by all the different license types and requirements? Florida is one of the most confusing states when it comes to adjuster licensing, especially with terms like 620, 720, and 7020. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to get licensed step by step and how to make sure you choose the right license the first time. Hey, I'm Josh Chin with AdjusterPro. If you're looking to become an insurance adjuster in Florida or use Florida as your designated home state, this video will walk you through the exact process and help you avoid some of the common mistakes. Basic requirements. Let's start with the basics. You should only get a Florida adjuster license if you are a resident of Florida or if you live in a state that doesn't license adjusters and are getting a Florida designated home state license. If you live in a state that licenses adjusters, and most do, you should get your home state license first. To get your Florida adjuster license, you generally need to be at least 18 years old and be a US resident or legally authorized to work. Florida also requires a background check and fingerprinting as a part of the application process. Choosing the right license. This is where most people get tripped up. Florida has multiple adjuster licensing types, including a 620 resident all lines license, 720 non-residents license, and 7020 designated home state license, or DHS. The key takeaway is to make sure you apply for the correct license type. For most people, one of these two will apply. 620 if you live in Florida, 7020 if you live in a state that doesn't offer its own adjuster license. The 7020 designated home state license is especially important because it allows you to use Florida as your home state license and gain reciprocity in other states. This license is what most people in non-licensing states will want. Complete your pre-licensing course. Next, you'll need to complete a state-approved pre-licensing course. Here's an important detail. With the right course, the state exam is included as part of the course. That means once you complete your training and pass the final exam, you don't need to go to a separate testing center. You're essentially completing both your education and your exam requirement in one step. Also worth noting, this course is available in Spanish, which makes it more accessible for a wider range of students. For that information, check out AdjusterPro.com. Apply for your license. After completing your course, the next step is applying for your license. This includes 1. Submitting your application to the state of Florida and paying the required fees. 2. Completing fingerprinting for a background check. 3. Waiting for approval. Once you're approved, you'll officially be a licensed insurance adjuster. Why Florida is so popular? You might be wondering, why do so many people choose Florida as a designated home state? It comes down to flexibility and demand. Florida is a big state. It has a large population and wild weather, which equals a lot of insurance claims. The Florida Designated Home State License, 7020, allows you to start your career even if your home state doesn't offer licensing. Once you have the Florida resident or the DHS license, you can help with almost a never-ending supply of claims there, or apply for a reciprocal license to work claims in other states. What happens next? Once you're licensed, the next steps usually include applying for an additional state license through reciprocity, learning estimating softwares like Xactimate, and starting to work as a staff or independent adjuster. You'll also need to complete 24 hours of continuing education every 2 years to keep your license active and in good standing. If you're ready to get started, check out the full guide and course links below. And remember, knowing the license type you need, especially 7020 if applicable, can save you time and headaches later. If this helped clarify the process, consider liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell for more videos just like this. It'll help you stay up to date on what adjusting's doing and where it's going to be. Until then, I'm Josh Chin, and I will see you in the next video.